In the next 9 minutes, you're going to set up a real project, discover every backlink pointing to your domain, identify the toxic ones that could be hurting your rankings, and generate a cleanup file for Google, all inside Link Profiler Pro. Let's go. Click All Projects under Workspace at the top of the sidebar, then New Project. Enter your domain, for example, mybusiness.com. Add your brand name and hit Create. Boom, your project is live. You'll land on the Overview page. This is your project's home base. Right now, the overview is empty, no backlinks fetched yet. But notice what's already here. At the top, your project name and the project health score, currently at 0. Below that, you'll see the project setup guide and a widget to connect Google Search Console. And there's even a rotating pro tip at the bottom, real SEO wisdom that changes every few seconds. Let's fill this page up. Before we dive in, see this? The project setup guide. This is your step-by-step checklist. It tracks everything you need to do. Fetch backlinks, enrich metrics, add keywords, set up your business location, connect Google Search Console. If you ever feel lost or forget what's next, come back here. Follow the check marks and you'll have a fully configured project. Think of it as your personal onboarding assistant. Quick note on managing projects. Click the project switcher and you'll see all your domains listed. Click any project to switch. The entire platform filters to that project instantly. How many projects can you create? That depends on your plan. Starter gets 3, Pro gets 10, Agency gets 25, Corporate gets 50. During your trial, you can create enough to fully test the platform. Now let's populate your project. Navigate to Backlinks in the sidebar and click Fetch Backlinks. Link Profiler connects to the largest backlink index available and pulls every link pointing to your domain. Watch the table build up. Let's look at what you get. Each row is a backlink. You see the source URL, the page linking to you, the target URL, which page on your site they're linking to, the anchor text, the clickable words in the link, and the rel badge. Do follow means the link passes authority. No follow means it doesn't. This is your raw link profile, but we need to go deeper. While we're here on the backlinks page, let's run the enrichment. Click Enrich Metrics. A credit confirmation will pop up showing the cost. Approve it, and the enrichment runs in the background. Now watch the table light up with data. Each backlink gets scored on multiple dimensions. Domain authority, a 0 to 100 score showing how powerful the linking site is. Spam score, the probability that the linking domain is spammy or penalized. Referring domains, how many unique sites link to that source page. A page with hundreds of referring domains is a high authority source. But there's more. You also get the language of each linking page, the platform it runs on, WordPress, Shopify, Wix, and whether it's an internal or external link. All of this helps you understand the quality and context of every single backlink. Green means safe. Amber means suspicious. Red means toxic. These are the links that could be dragging your rankings down. You can sort by any column. Highest DA at the top? Click DA. Worst spam score? Click Spam Score. The data is yours to explore. Now that you can see the toxic links, let's deal with them. Select the ones with high spam scores and click Disavow. You'll get a choice. Disavow just the specific URL or disavow the entire domain, meaning you're telling Google to ignore all links from that source. For seriously spammy sites, domain level is usually the right call. Once you've flagged your toxic links, click Export Disavow File. This generates a properly formatted .txt file that you upload directly to Google Search Console's Disavow tool. You can also switch to the Disavowed view to see everything you flagged, and restore links if you change your mind. Now let's add your targeted keywords. Go to Targeted Keywords in the sidebar. Type the keywords your business wants to rank for. Emergency plumber London, best coffee shop near me, buy running shoes. Hit Import. Now here's why this matters. Link Profiler Pro doesn't just track your rankings for these keywords. It also uses them to analyze your anchor text. When we go back to the overview, you'll see exactly how many backlinks use your exact target keywords as anchor text. If that number is too high, That's an over-optimization signal, and Google penalizes that. Speaking of Google Search Console, let me show you how to connect it. In the Overview page, click the GSC Connect widget. Sign in with your Google account, authorize Link Profiler Pro, and select your property. That's it. Once connected, Link Profiler Pro can pull verified ranking data directly from Google, the actual clicks, impressions, and positions that Google reports. This is ground truth data, not estimates, and it will feed into your rank tracker and AI advisor for even more accurate recommendations. Now look at your overview page. What a difference! Your 4 stat cards are alive. Link strength scored out of 100 based on your referring domains. Total backlinks with new and lost counts. Referring domains, the unique sources. And toxicity, your overall risk score. Below that, the anchor text strategy chart. 6 categories, color-coded. Branded in green, naked URLs in blue, exact match in red. And look, because we added our targeted keywords earlier, Link Profiler Pro now shows exactly how many backlinks use your exact target phrases. If that red bar is too high, you know to diversify. Next to it, the backlink types donut chart showing your do follow versus no follow ratio. A natural profile needs both. And finally, the profile health check. Progress bars comparing your actual ratios against Google's expected natural profile. Green means on target, amber means build more, red means over-optimized. It even tells you exactly how many links of each type you need to build. This is your complete backlink intelligence dashboard. In 9 minutes, you've created a project, analyzed your entire backlink profile, identified toxic links, generated a disavow file, and connected Google Search Console. And your overview dashboard now tells you exactly where your link profile stands and what to build next. In the next video, we'll add your business location and run your first local ranking heat map, so you can see exactly where you're visible on Google Maps and where you're invisible. Free trial link in the description. 14 days, 3,000 credits, no credit card. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.